Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of JK Cars, and today is going to be a very different episode. I placed an order recently for a bunch of new car parts, and today they all came in, as far as I'm concerned, and we're going to look over all of them, and you guys are going to get a little bit of a sneak peek and hint at what I'm going to be doing this summer for mods. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, first box. I can't remember what this is. I honestly don't remember what most of these are. Oh, these are my car vinyls. So these are going to be going on my windshield. Civic Racing. That one's going to go. I'm not 100% sure yet, but it's either going to go on the front or the back. Got that one, and then I've got Civic JDM, and I think I'm gonna have this one be on the front but run on the side of the windshield, and I'll have the other one in the back, but I'm not 100% sure. We'll figure that out when we get to that video. Alright, next package. Alright, this one's wrapped up. Oh! Could have been a nicer box. This one is seatbelt harness pads by NRG Innovations. Let's see. This is one of my favorite car brands, just because it's good quality stuff, but it's also like very affordable. So that's pretty nice. I'm gonna steam that out, so that way I don't have the wrinkle. But overall, yeah, that's gonna go on the seat belt, and yeah, that's gonna be nice. Nice little touch. Alright. Next package. Alright. Let's see what this one is. I want to make sure I don't cut it, because it's very, like, in one bag. I don't want to cut it. Oh, it's in two bags. Oh, yes. So these are my Brid neck pillows for my seats. My seats have like a weird, like, inline gap. Like, my headrest is like this, and the actual place where your shoulders sit is right here. You get this weird neck gap. So I want to try and fix that. These are very, pull out of the plastic so you can hear me. These are very firm, but soft. Actually, that is perfect. Unclip that. Oh yeah, it's just a memory foam. Oh, and that's really nice. That is really nice. So that way, if they get dirty, you can just pull the foam out and then wash it. That's actually so nice. Listen, just because affordable does not mean it's going to be like a cheap quality. Like, this is not cheap quality. This is legit a Brid product. Alright, this box is a little bigger. That's a little concerning. It's like you literally just went like that and just start carrying the box that way. Alright. What's gonna be the best way to open this one? This one's gonna be a little difficult. Oh, yes, I remember what this is now. This is my new stereo dash panel because I'm gonna be installing a new car stereo. Hopefully this works. It should. I don't see why it wouldn't. And even if it doesn't, I'll figure something out. I'm innovative. That's just how I be. You know? If there's a problem, I'll find a way to fix it. Alright, so that's nice. That's honestly a little bit better quality than I was expecting. What else does it come with? Got a little bag of goodies. So I've got a baggie of screws, the actual brackets to hold everything in place. What's this? Oh, don't want to lose that. Oh, these are the little inset pieces to actually make everything look better. I think this is... But honestly, I don't know what this is. We'll figure it out when we install this. It'll be a little bit, but because I still need to get the car stereo. That's gonna be a big budget breaker. And it also has the wiring harness as well, which in all honesty is very, very nice. A lot of these kits don't just come with this. This isn't just this isn't like cheap either. This is good. I actually genuinely happy with this. With the antenna cable, yeah. Wow. This kit came a little more equipped than I originally thought. Not bad for $33. Oh god, we just be getting bigger and bigger. Alright, oh. That was very anticlimactic. Ooh, there's a lot of goodies in here. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's start off small and simple. So I got new license plate frames, carbon fiber. They come with screw caps as well, and they also come with valve covers, which is really nice because I definitely needed new all of the above. Alright. Next, we've got a couple of toe tassels. Or, not toe tassels, toe straps, sorry. Which, these look really good too. The writing's a little uneven, but yeah, it's whatever. It's fine. I might use one and give one away, or I might use both. I'm not sure. We'll find out. We'll find out. When it comes to this. You can either attach it with cable ties, which if I do, I'm not using these. These are very, very thin and flimsy, and I've got better ones. Or you can attach via bolt, which this makes a lot more sense. But I don't know how I'm going to be able to attach these, so we'll figure that out. Alright, next we got AC vent sleeves. Which, yeah, these actually look really nice too. Wow. I'm actually really impressed by most of this. But yeah, these just slide on the AC vents and just give a nice little accent. Which it may not be the shade of blue may not match properly, but it should match well enough to where I don't think it would matter. Next up, we've got a new battery bracket, which is just the crossbar that sits across the battery. Mine was disgusting and I didn't like the look of it, and I thought I might as well start prettying up the engine bay a little bit. So I got this, and yeah. Alright, next up, what's this? What's this? Oh, yes. Yes. We are going to be doing, is there anything else? Oh yeah, a e-brake switch. So this is the new e-brake. I really like that. Like, you can tell that is like good. Also comes with the little bolts and then the actual button, which I like that it's silver. That's cool. Cool little touches. Alright, next we got a shifter boot. So this is another Bride product. It's looking a little big for my car, because to be fair, where I want to put it is not meant to have one, but I thought it would look cool, and it could look cool. But yeah, might have to trim it down a little bit or something, but whatever it may be, we'll figure it out. Ooh, now we're on to the one I am really excited for. In all honesty, so far has the best presentation. Ready? Oh, the new shift knob. Oh, that's a nice play. That is so nice. I love that when I bought this, they called this the demo tool. I was like, oh, not really trying to demolish anything, but okay. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. Your shift. Oh, I love that already. Alright, so we got one more left, and this one is pretty big. So we're gonna be doing it this way. I love that smell. New driving mats. Official Momo driving mats. And oh my gosh, these things look incredible. So they've got a metal plate right here just to make your braking and accelerating a little easier with the transfer, and also holding your foot in place better. We've got the Momo logo right here, which, oh my gosh, I am in love with that. Oh, that is so nice. This is all I can say is so far I am more than pleased with everything I bought. But yeah, all these were just relatively cheap things on Amazon. Kind of just go off of what fits your budget, what you like, kind of go off of your interest. But for what I wanted, this is the stuff that I was going for. Heck, I could have very easily got grid mats or made my own, because the grid canvas is actually very easy to just purchase and make stuff out of. So you can like do complete upholstery redo in your car with grid fabric. But me personally, I already had two grid things in my car and I didn't want to overdo it. So I got these. I also like these a little bit more, especially because that metal heel pad. These were a little bit more on the pricier side, but in all honesty, for floor mats, they were not that bad. They were only about $40, I think. And yeah, like this is like very good, almost top tier level stuff. And I'm very, very happy with my purchase as of right now. We'll see how things go with the build and the upcoming episodes. And yeah, we'll do tests and see how these things actually work out on the road. So yeah, I'll see you guys next episode. Peace.